Hi, my name is Klaus. I'm your inspector today, inspecting this Nissan Qashqai. It's 2016. Regards to service history, is part of the service history, and obviously vehicle's condition will reflect exactly as reflect regards to the history available. So, regards to bodywork, it has obviously minor marks and scratches, as it is a 9-year-old. As you can see, door edges chipped. There's a few dings, one here and one there. There's some sort of smart repair done on this section. Regards to, also you'll see again age-related marks on panels. This section's been resprayed. Mark here, marks. Smart repairs on the front and rear bumpers. Rear section blisters. Blisters are visible. Obviously, everything would be regards to the age. You would expect some body repairs. There's no silly structural issues. Structurally sound car. Bumper scuffs, etc. Going back to this side, again, light marks, respray the door, and respray on this door, marks, scratches. It's a bit dusty, so there are a few marks on this too. Regards to alloys, they have oxidation marks, but still visibly looks sensible. Marks. Tires are good. I added recommendations for tires. Rear pad 70% worn. That is regards to bodywork. Interiors, because age-related wear present, consider acceptable. When you walk close, this auto lock and unlock button from both sides doesn't work with the key in range. Everything underside is fine. It needs both ball joint dust covers. They're not sealing properly the ball joint on the rear lower arm. I mean on the front lower arm. The gearbox recently replaced. To me, it looks like it's a second-hand one. Doesn't look like it's a refurbed. Unless it doesn't look like it's been even opened up to me. But that's just what I visually can see. Also, engine has been replaced on this car at some point, as the engine numbers doesn't match. There's nothing abnormal. Vehicle doesn't have a vehicle at the moment. Is not road legal, so I would just do a road test around the yard, but the seller will drive the car, and I will sit next to it. That's pretty much the vehicle is set up in satisfactory condition, I guess. Thanks for using us.